Warning, everything is fake. Blood, weapons, mask, everything. Turn off phones and please have respect for the people. Who's presenting? Thank you. I hope you enjoy.
Shut the fuck up.
Like, what did I do? I'm just saying.
You don't call me that. I am a female.
Baboon, but you're still black.
Ooh, you're in trouble with that one.
I'm a female.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
You wouldn't be reacting like that if you did.
All right, all right. You got something to say, Adrian?
Nah, not really.
You do?
No.
Positive?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
All the way.
Why are we here anyway?
I don't know.
Car insurance.
What?
Hey, we're young teens. I'm just saying. Y'all figure out some car insurance.
This is boring.
Indeed it is, yeah. All right, boys.
I'm not a boy.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you.
in that character. Moving on. Anyway, so I got a good scary story to tell y'all on this nice rainy day we all having right here, that we out for some odd reason in a random period of time, all right?
Just get to the point.
All right. Hold on now. All right. Once upon a time, there was a young man named James. He hated his siblings and his parents because no matter what he does, his parents always love his siblings and never take accountable for what he does. And they are serious troublemakers, right? So they kept making him get in trouble. Like every time they break something, he gets for it. It's weird, it's stupid.
So basically he get blamed for everything?
Yes.
Great.
So he had enough, right? And they decided to get in trouble again. So while they was all having like a good old time walking down to their rooms, right? He decided to walk in, right? Close the door, lock it, make sure nobody gets in or out. He got a sewing machine and forcefully sewed their mouse.
How would that fit?
How does that even work? You said a sewing machine.
A sewing machine.
How does that work?
It's a story. Hush. Now.
Hey guys! How's it going?
Why are you so late?
You're fashionable.
I was smoking back there. Also fashionably late. Y'all like this? Look at this. Nice shirt. Girls love my swag.
Yeah.
They usually do love my
Don't
swag.
back behind the
That is a whole lot of cap on your shirt right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my
Now,
God.
me personally,
What
I would
girls
never
do you
have
have?
I'm just saying.
Lots of them.
Proof.
Where?
I'm not gonna explain any
Yeah,
further.
no, you're
They're from
lying.
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
You
Not
like
yet,
we're in
right.
the U.S.
What we doing, guys?
I don't know.
We just chilling.
We could do some
Like,
funny stuff. I don't know.
What do you mean by funny stuff?
Guys, look, it's a piggy.
Nice.
Look, it's a piggy.
oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
That was not a piggy.
Oh, he did.
You think?
Why are we going over here?
I don't know why we're coming over here.
Damn. Look at this neck though.
I'm leaving.
We need to get out of here.
Yeah.
You hear big noise?
the camera on. Okay, so this. Hi. They cannot see upside down. No, you can't even see that. Okay, so this is a we're doing bloopers. Yeah. On the scene. Well, right now.
After scene. Actually.
So, yeah. Yeah, this is day 3.
2.
2?
You got it. You got it. You totally got it.
No, I did not know that.
Gotta put it back.
Whoa, hold on.
There it goes.
Simple thing.
Yeah.
Looking back on it, he didn't really have to do that. He could have just already. Just go back to it.
Nationwide. We should be put on crosstown email shoutouts. I swear to God. Period.
What did you do to him? I know you freaking hear me. What did you do, pork chop?
Hello?
Master of Minecraft, never played Minecraft. Look at my Minecraft things.
Got a sewing machine and forcefully sew their mouths together.
How does that even work? You said a sewing machine.
A sewing machine.
How does that work?
It's a story.